Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to make lemony garlicky shrimp. It's a very simple recipe and easy to make. It's one of my favorite recipes. Now let's get started. For this recipe, we will need a pound of shrimp, clean and deveined, juice of half a lemon, some pepper, olive oil, salt, lemon zest, garlic, parsley, butter, and Parmesan cheese. We put some olive oil, heat it up. Put some garlic in here. Well, now I'm going to add the parsley, lemon zest, and I'm going to put the shrimp right now. Now I'm going to add some butter. Now this looks really nice. Let me put some lemon juice in it. And now we add salt and some pepper. And that's it. Our dish is done. Okay, now I'm going to put some Parmesan on the shrimp. And I will put some parsley to decorate it. And we're done. There you have it. Like and subscribe. See you guys next time.